When you have an audience, you got to speak up. BTS lyrics share with us youth challenges and mental health issues. On this video, we'll learn and celebrate from BTS, the K-pop phenomena. Here is BTS DYNAMITE Hairs. What I like about BTS is their clear message and social commitment. From the beginning, BTS, the Bulletproof Boy Scouts, focus on youth issues, sharing their own struggles on their lyrics, from the School Trilogy to the Love Yourself series. I applaud their commitment to use their platform to bring attention to mental health and a positive message to the youth. Make sure your social media and influence helps others. This is your opportunity to make the world a better place. That will make all the content that you share more likable and more impactful. Check the BTS channel for some inspiration and read some of the lyrics. Make a difference on someone's life today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I will be leaving a link on the description so you can see a full tutorial on this haircut. Thank you to BTS for making this world a better place one song at a time. This is Angel del Solar blowing some dynamite.